camera just happened in between, and I just like, okay, I should just film if I'm going to get my mood. I'm feeling nice. A little by the pound of my palm. I'm coming, guys. Let me set up my camera very well so that to focus on my face. What's up, everybody? Welcome back once again to my channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, I am Fefarater. So it has been a while, it has been a minute. I've been on here and chit chat with you guys. So in today's video, I'm getting ready with you people, and I'm just gonna do my makeup and talk about life updates and just catch up with a lot of things. I hope to see you guys in the end of part of this video, because this is the first official video of 2023. So let's get started. Guys, I'm going to be starting up with my makeup, but before I get to my makeup, I want to put something out there that I kind of not like filming longer videos again, because they are stressful. I have to prime now. Like I was saying, my makeup game has changed, and I want to talk about a lot of things with you guys. For you people, this video is unscripted, it is not planned at all, but I just want to come here and do my makeup because it's been a while I've done that. Do my makeup, chit chat, talk about life, talk about everything I need to talk about, and that leads me to talking about why even when I was back, I was not filming longer videos, because I kind of get tired of longer videos. To be sincere, I'll be sincere with myself. I get tired of filming longer videos because I've put in the work. This would be the fifth year I've started up doing YouTube, and before YouTube Shorts has been launched, I think I have been filming videos, longer videos, and I've been putting in the work, uploading, optimizing, trying to do everything. I know for some people it is really easy. One video will make them go viral, one video will make, but I've been putting in the work for a lot of years now. I'm not seeing results while filming longer videos, and it's kind of tiring and I'm stressed out about it. So with time, I get to like, what am I doing? I should stop filming, I should stop doing this. And I talked to some other creators, they feel same way, not only me. Longer videos, putting in the work, filming a longer video, editing for a long time, and then you get just 2 views. You optimize and you get no views. You do this and you get no feedback, and you lack subscribers and all of that. But the YouTube Shorts community has been so helpful, and short videos, even TikToks, you guys, TikToks have been crazy. I've been serious with my TikTok account this period. Like reels and those short form content, they are my thing right now. They are the things that made me want to love makeup more, because I kind of lose interest ever since I relocated to Lagos. If you guys don't know, I am based in Lagos. If you guys don't know, I am based in Lagos, Nigeria now. So as I was saying before I got to this point of New York, I was saying I lost interest in creating long form content, because short content videos are the one now bringing the vibes of doing makeup on yourself, transition, like makeup tutorials, acts and all of that. I really love filming those short videos, because when you film short here on YouTube, you get to have views, you get to have potential subscribers, and you get to grow on the community. And it has really been so good, helpful, and I'm so grateful for the YouTube Short launch. I'm so grateful. And even TikTok and all of that, I kind of diversify a bit.
Si no le ayuda a la fábrica, el camión no está.
Yeah, how do they speak that English? And all of those things make you do a lot of things out of your niche, out of your comfort zone, and I really like it, because you're on YouTube. When starting up, people will tell you focus on one thing, people will like it for one thing, but shorts, you gotta do a lot of things and see people, and people are gonna watch it and gonna get subscribers. I really love that, and that is what made me not film a lot of longer videos again here on YouTube. But I'll try my best to film longer videos. I'll try my best to do that. Now I finished coloring my face. Let's go to my foundation. It has been crazy, yo. It has been. even sometimes I get to like, oh, I want to edit my video because I actually film myself. I edit my videos myself and do everything myself. The only thing my manager does is she watch my videos before and to see if it's okay, if I'm sounding right, if I am doing anything wrong, or I said something that was not supposed to be said in the video. So I have to go back and re-edit it. That is what she does for me. But most times I get comments, and one comment last year, which is still a popular comment till now, is that people say I talk too much.
Yeah.
That is true. I talk too much. I talk a lot, and that's why I'm a YouTuber. Longer videos is all about talking for a long time, and I love it when I watch creators or my favorite creators when they talk for a long time, like vlogs and other lifestyle content. People talk a lot, but my sitting videos, people say you talk too much, and sometimes I'm editing my videos, I see that I talk too much, or some point I have talked past the point I want to bring up, and I say, oh, why do you talk this much? So those kind of reasons. And when I saw the comment late last year, somebody found out about my page, and the person was like, I enjoy watching your videos, but you talk too much and it's annoying. And I tell myself, it's annoying sometimes when I watch myself and I talk too much. It is really annoying. So I kind of stop and slack down in filming longer videos. But YouTube, it is what it is. I have to sit here and talk for a long time. If you like me, you watch the video. If you don't like it, you click out of it. But I'm trying my possible best this year to make my videos more entertaining. That is why I have not been filming back to back. I really want, the way my shorts and my reels are very interesting now, I want my longer videos to be more interesting and keep people on my channel for a long time, and even on other videos, so that they could click on other videos. Since I was recording, I did not know I was not recording. You guys, I finished blending out my concealer. I thought I was recording, but I didn't turn off the camera. If I say I didn't clean up the camera, I didn't turn off the camera. So I'm using the RCMA setting powder on my face. I don't know if it's because I was feeling I don't talk too much in today's video. I want to keep it cute and simple, and that is why my mood is like this. But you guys should just manage the way the mood is. I don't know if by the end of this video it's gonna come back and I'm going to be myself again. I'm just all in the house, and today's actually a good day to film. And I woke up very well. I slept last night. I slept very well last night. So today's a good day for me to film. But I don't know why. Immediately I finished setting up, like I want to press record, something just happened in between, and something I can't talk about right now on camera just happened in between, and I just like, okay, I should just film if I'm going to get my mood. I'm feeling nice. If I'm going to get my mood, well, it's making me not realize everything I wanted to talk about, where I said, okay, today's the day I'm going to film. The shade. I don't know if I've not used this brush on myself before. I always use a very eyeshadow look kind of blush, so it's not actually cute, but I won't say it is bad. It's not cute, but I won't say it is bad. There's no crime in adding a lot of blush this era. There's no crime in adding a lot of blush and for my forehead to keep the warmth. You guys should not leave this video without blending anything. So let me teach you guys my own hack in today's video. I'm using the same setting powder. You can use the setting powder and go in with a powder palette or any face powder you use, but a lighter one to brighten up your under eyes a little more. If you want that bright under eyes, just use your RCMA powder. I'll be doing that right now, and mix it with your face powder. just to get more brightness under your eye. Please do not mind my powder palette. I have used the hell out of this palette. So I'll mix the two together like this. Dust up the excess, take up a little, still dust up, and press it underneath my eyes. Make sure it goes to the eye and the eyes very well. Just press it, and you guys see. So it will make a difference when I finish doing this eye. I just see the difference within this eye, the brightness underneath this eye, and see. I can see the difference right now in my mirror in front of me. But I don't know if you guys can see it very clearly. Well, I'm just going to press it into my eyes. This mirror is really far from me. Area you can actually do same thing, but I just want the brightness to focus on underneath my eyes to give that lift. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can see it in front of me right now. Time I am back with you guys, but I am not done. I just do my eye makeup to just lift up my eyes, but now I'm using a clear gloss. This clear gloss from a no-name brand. So I'm using a clear gloss, a brown gloss. You can actually use a clear gloss to do this. And the liquid brush I used earlier, TikTok again. And I still see some of these acts on YouTube short. I'm just going to mix those gloss together. Luminous glow to my skin. I don't know if this thing is recording very well, but I hope so. And take a little by the palm of my palm. I'm coming, guys. Let me set up my camera very well so that it will focus on my face. I think I'm in place now. So I'm just going to take this little at the back of my hand, like a tiny little bit, and just place this on my face to give that luminous glow. At the same time, add some color to my shape. Make sure it's not too much. Can you guys see that glow? So I have done that, and lastly, before we call this video to an end, I'll give my face a quick sweet spray before we do that. And the spray I'm going to use into this video, guess what? In the Flawless Ivy Hydrating Mix, and this is a personal spray for my own self. I've used a lot of powder into this video, so I want to soak up the powder and soak it in. There are other good sprays I want to try, but let's just use this to sing the product. And there we are, my Fefarater family. So this is the finished look. I'm just going to damp and chew.
Give it to me like.
There we have it, you guys. If you want to follow more of my work on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and on TikTok, same as Fefarater Co. You can text me on my personal phone number at 090-3415-4232. Give me video ideas and I'll get to chit chat with you guys. I love you, and I'll see you all in my next video right here. So click and watch my next video. I know you're gonna watch it, so do click.